whatever.
He's a wonderful person, ego, you know.
I do.
Absolutely. As long as the person is yourself. Anyway, what's your point?
It's really hard sometimes.
Being perfect.
Right.
God's gift.
Precisely.
However, do you bear the weight?
I'll look out.
Fine. Never will be. You really think you're perfect, don't you?
I know it sounds arrogant.
Oh no, not a bit.
You don't think so?
Not at all. In fact, it's endearing.
It is.
Sure. For a person to think they're perfect and have this great big zit.
Sit where?
Where? Did you not look in the mirror this morning?
You're feeling right.
Silly me. And you didn't see that?
No.
It's not like you noticed it's normal.
Normal? Who cares about normal people?
But we're talking about perfection.
Exactly.
It's like finding a scratch on one of these ones.
Unthinkable.
And desecration. I mean, your house to a higher standard.
I've got to get a mirror.
Running back. Hi, Mom. Do you know that book you gave me on the power of suggestion? I think it's working. No! It is. I just got someone to see something that isn't really there. Yeah, let me see. Bye.